This is your reading for today. Your cards are the Emperor and Seven of Cups. Sometimes it is good to take the time to be stable, steady, in control, and not start speaking or make an offer or make a move when you are in a confused state and when there are too many things on your mind and there is lack of clarity and every option seems good, that perhaps this, perhaps that. Oh no, this is good. So when you are in that state of mind, it is best not to take a decision or open up at that point in time. Because whatever you do at that point in time is not going to come from a place of balance, and it is not going to come from a place of justice or fairness, because you yourself are confused. So how can you be how can you be clear or grounded in that situation, right? What also happens is that, in this state of confusion, it is not just that the mind is tired, it is also that the body is tired and exhausted. And very often what happens is that though you want to stay invested in the situation and though you want to take it ahead, when you feel pressured to say now, talk now, and the pressure is mostly from our own selves, less from outside and more from our own expectations, feelings, wanting a resolution in our own way. That is what keeps creating the pressure on us, but we are confused. So when you are in that state of confusion and your ego is pressing you, do this, it is best not to do it, because though it is worth being invested, it comes out in the wrong manner. And then things become a lot more complicated. So intuitively, now is the time to act from your heart. So what is it that your heart is telling you? Okay, lean into your heart space. Keep a hand on your heart, like I always suggest, and 3 times ask your heart. Heart, what are you trying to tell me? What are you trying to show me? And ask your heart about that, and you will get clarity. You will know that even if it is the difficult thing to do, to step back right now, this is the right thing to do. And listen to that voice of intuition instead of operating from the ego, because it is only going to take you to a place of sleepless nights. Because what is happening is that, this is the choice that you need to make inside yourself. Should I not? This is a very important choice for you, and this is what is helping to develop your strength. And it is helping you develop your strength to take that one small step towards something big in your life, but with one small step.